Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to log out of Diablo Immortal game on your mobile device. If you want to log out of Diablo Immortal, first of all, go ahead and open up the Diablo Immortal game on your device. Once you're inside the game sanctuary, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal buttons at the top right corner. Now click on the gear button at the top right. Inside settings, click on account on the left hand side. Under account, you will see a logout button at the top. Tap on logout and follow through the on-screen instructions to complete the logout process. And with this button, you'll be able to log out of Diablo Immortal. Just make sure to confirm by tapping logout once again once you press logout, and that will be it. That's how you easily log out of Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.